Electric Steam Pressure Washer Review. NorthStar Electric Wet Steam and Hot Water Pressure Washer. Ever tried blasting grease with a cold pressure washer and watched it smear instead of disappear? I remember standing in a commercial kitchen at closing time, pushing dirty water around while the clock kept ticking. It felt pointless. If you've ever had that moment where heat was the missing piece, you know exactly what I mean. That kind of cleanup creates real tension. Your shoulders tighten, your patience thins, and the grime still clings like it owns the place. I tried stronger detergents and higher PSI units, but the results barely improved. The issue wasn't force, it was temperature. Once you realize that, the solution becomes surprisingly clear and controlled. Don't just pick any hot water pressure washer. Make sure it has true wet steam capability so you never suffer grease that refuses to melt again. I stumbled onto the NorthStar electric wet steam and hot water pressure washer almost by accident during a property maintenance job. Here is what surprised me. The 150 degrees Fahrenheit temperature rise combined with 250 degrees Fahrenheit wet steam didn't just clean surfaces, it visibly loosened oils within seconds. The 2,750 pounds per square inch and 2.5 gallons per minute delivered strong impact without overspray chaos. The total start-stop system meant the unit only ran when I pulled the trigger, which felt efficient and oddly satisfying. The four-wheel cart with 15-inch pneumatic tires rolled smoothly across uneven concrete and gravel. Onboard storage kept the 50-foot hose and nozzles organized instead of tangled underfoot. A maintenance manager I know was working late in a food processing facility, worried about missing inspection deadlines. Switching to wet steam mode cut his degreasing time dramatically, and he finished calm instead of frantic. Relief changes everything, doesn't it? After months of steady use, the difference becomes routine rather than dramatic. Grease lifts faster, equipment dries cleaner. The digital thermostat keeps temperature within a stable range, which industry reviewers have verified for consistent hot water delivery without wild swings. A commercial equipment analyst noted that the 150 degrees Fahrenheit temperature rise positions this model competitively against larger gas units, but without indoor emission concerns. Several cleaning influencers have highlighted the wet steam function as the real differentiator, especially for restaurants and factories where oil buildup is constant. Property maintenance operators consistently report that the total start-stop system reduces wear and wasted runtime. Now, let's be realistic. This is a 230-volt electric unit, so you need the proper power supply. It's also heavier than a small residential washer. But that weight supports commercial durability and integrated heat systems. If your environment requires indoor safe operation and high temperature cleaning, those trade-offs make practical sense. Would a lighter consumer unit survive daily industrial grease removal? Probably not. The small limitation? Setup requires planning around power access. Once handled, the workflow becomes smooth, repeatable, and dependable, and that consistency is what really builds confidence over time. If high heat has been the missing piece in your cleaning process, the NorthStar electric wet steam and hot water pressure washer offers controlled electric-powered performance designed for serious work. Many commercial teams and facility managers already rely on hot water pressure washers like this daily. Results may vary depending on surface and application. I do use affiliate links, and you'll find them in the description and pinned comment if you want full specifications. Take your time, explore it carefully, and see if it fits your workflow.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.